My name is Tracy Radebaugh, and I am the Job Training Coordinator Intervention Specialist in charge of the Career and Community Experience Program. CCE stands for Career and Community Experience. It is a job training program, and we serve students 17 to 21 who are transitioning from school to employment. We teach students to work by going to work. We go to work, we go out to several different places, and we learn all those basic employability skills by doing the job. We work with Twisted Burger and Sushi here in Medina, and our students run a breakfast service completely on their own. It's all run by them. They do the hosting, they do the cooking, they do the serving. The entire breakfast is run by them, which is super exciting. We also work with McJack Candy Company. Our students go to the candy factory and they work side by side with those employees doing work that needs to be done.
So this is McJack. This is one of the many places we go. We package lollies in bags and boxes and package fudge.
Yeah, we count them. I count by twos and others two their way.
We also have a partnership with Feeding Medina County, which is a wonderful, wonderful partnership. We do a lot of different things with them, with packing of their weekender bags.
Now the weekender bags go to every school district across Medina County.
We do some sorting and shelving for them when they get donations in. We work collaboratively with several of our Medina County labs, our Career Center labs. Our students participate in the Special Olympics track and field event, and in order to prepare for that, we spend time here on Fridays in our beautiful gym. And the students are down there for an hour, and they have personal trainers, which they get super excited about, and their trainers are students in our sports med lab that are learning themselves. So having those students working side by side with our students is a win-win for everybody. Another activity that we do is we do the Improveneers curriculum, and Improveneers is using improv to learn your basic life and employability skills. Students learn through different games how to think quickly, how to be creative, how to communicate using eye contact, using body language, reading body language. All those little nuances of communication. That is our ultimate goal, is to have you ready to roll, have you out and employed working in the community. We've had lots of success with that, yes. We have several of our students that are currently working at Twisted. We have several students that are working at McJack. We have several students that are out working at other community placements because they learned how to work by going to work here through CCE.
The Career Center is an awesome place. You'll meet a lot of amazing people like Miss Shaw and Miss Radebaugh. It wouldn't be possible without them, so I just want to give a huge thank you to them and everything they've done for us.